that's...
Okay, so buddy, the first question is, which one has more? Are there more strawberries or are there more blueberries? How do you know that? Which one is there more of? Is there more strawberries or more blueberries?
Blueberries, it's because I know it, and it's because the strawberries are really lower, and
So the strawberries, you say the strawberries are lower? Well, how many strawberries are there? How could you find out how many strawberries there are? So how many?
And it's because that one has 5, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
But what about the strawberries that are here and the blueberries that are here?
Okay, now that's 4, and that one has 3.
But these are all the blueberries in the package, and these are all the strawberries in the package. So how many strawberries are here?
4.
So there's 4 in all this whole box?
No, there's actually no, and there's 5 in them. And there's 4 and 5. And
So then how many are there? Oh, if you tell me there's 4 and there's 5, how many are here all together?
you 1. You 9.
9. Okay, so let's go write that down so we don't forget. Okay. So we've recorded there's 9 strawberries. Now how many blueberries are there? Why don't you go figure out how many blueberries there are?
So all together?
What do you think?
All together.
Yeah. There's 10. Okay, so let's go write it down now.
Okay, so wait a second. 9 is right there, and 10 is right there, and so blueberries are bigger.
There's more blueberries. So there's your answer. And then you can write that there's more blueberries because 10 is bigger than 9. Good job, buddy. Give me 5.
How do you?
Okay, so you guys have wrote that there are more blueberries. Now I see the number 19. What does that number 19 mean on your paper?
It means that there's 19 both in total together.
Both in total there are 19. Okay, so that answers our second question. Now our third question is, if my bag holds 15 containers, is my bag big enough?
No.
Why not?
Because 19 is bigger than 15.
Okay, so what might I need to do? Well, how could I solve that problem at the grocery store? If I had my fabric bag that could only hold 15 containers in it, how could I solve that problem? What should I do? Buy a new bag. I think that's a good strategy. Do you think you could put those words that you just told me on paper into writing? So you tell me there are, let's see. Which one is more? Is there more blueberries or are there more strawberries?
Blueberry.
Okay, and how do you know that?
I counted by 2, and there was 10 blueberries, and there was 9 strawberries.
And so, comparing 10 and 9, what can you tell me about those two numbers?
10 is greater than 9, and 9 is lesser than 10.
Okay, so that's what we knew there were more blueberries. Now, we said, how many berries were there in the entire grocery store between these two? You told me there's 19. Okay. And finally, I said my bag holds 15, can hold 15 containers of fruit. Is my bag big enough? Why not?
Because there's 19 of them. There is 19 and 15 is lesser than it. So your bag can only carry 15 containers.
Okay. So how many extra would I have left? How many containers would I have left over then? I have 4 left over. Right. I really like what you did. I was wondering if maybe you could try and make your own problem. Could you make a problem with different fruit and think of a question you might want to stump me with? Do you want to do that? Okay. So why don't you grab a piece of goose paper and you can make your own problem and see if you can have me solve it, okay?